quick video for you guys. You maybe saw in the last one, or the one before that, the Jeep windscreen. A bit across the top of the windscreen was knackered. Right, I've got a wee quick video to show you of it before and after. I haven't shown you how to do it. If you want to see how to do it, comment below and I'll do a video of the other half. Well, here you go. This is what it's like. The side I've still got to do it. You can see right the way through the back there. Totally knackered. And here's a bit of fixed. Fold it up with the panel. Bent it to shape. And got it welded in. So I think that's looking pretty good. Still got the holes above the top to do. Up here. They're easy enough. So, as I say, comment below if you want to see how to do this. Cheers.